Imagine lasting all night and pleasing your partner every time. Intrigued? Keep watching to discover the secret behind Jamaican Stone. Jamaican Stone is a unique product that stands out in the crowded market of premature ejaculation solutions. Formulated with a special blend of ingredients, including a tree sap, it changes the level of stimulation in the penis head. This small, discreet herbal black stone is applied directly to the penis and begins working within 10-15 minutes. With Jamaican Stone, you can achieve the ability to last 3-4 hours, ensuring you stay harder and keep your erection longer. Compared to other products, Jamaican Stone is cost-effective, lasting for at least 3 months. Whether you want to increase your staying power from seconds to minutes or minutes to hours, Jamaican Stone has you covered. Beware of fake versions that can cause more pain than pleasure. Order the authentic Jamaican Stone online to avoid negative side effects. We offer worldwide shipping with discreet delivery, ensuring your order arrives in plain packaging. Visit JamaicanBlackstone.com. Ready to transform your performance? Buy Jamaican Stone today and experience the power in the bedroom you've always wanted. Stay powerful. Stay confident.